on the Hogwarts Express going from King's Cross to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry and Hogsmeade.
Yes.
And Hogsmeade. Isn't that correct, Clara?
Yes.
Find that video.
Oh look, can you see the Dementors?
It's getting dark out there.
Let's find a compartment.
Could use a snack. Where's the food tray?
Look behind you.
Lordy, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Wrong. Food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gamp's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?
Oh, getting dark in here. The door!
Okay, that was brilliant.
Dementors on Hogwarts Express. Foul, miserable creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
And shot
Oh dear. Just get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little runaways.
There's Hagrid.
There's Mummy.
Clara, look, it's Hagrid. There's the Ford Anglia.